Dubai's commercial real estate market is really growing fast. What if you could invest in a premium space or retail space in high growth business district starting just from under 1 million dirhams? Let's take a look at one project that is exactly designed for that.
Hi, I'm Priya, your Dubai real estate expert. Today we are taking a look at Samana Barari Avenue, a premium commercial tower for businesses, investors and brands looking for strong presence in Dubai.
Samana Barari Avenue is a Chief Plus 25th commercial tower located in Majan, Dubai, one of the fastest growing areas in Dubai land. The tower is designed with complete commercial hub, combining with premium retail shops with modern offices. The structure includes basement parking, retail podium levels, and 25th floor of office spaces, creating fully integrated business environment. Now, retail spaces are located on the ground floor and podium levels, while the upper floors are featured for the modern offices designed specially for the companies and entrepreneurs. The project offers several features designed to support modern businesses. These include high visibility retail storefronts, premium office spaces with scenic views, modern architectural design with energy efficient features, VIP drop off zones and easy access, ample parking spaces, green spaces, and open areas around the tower. These elements create a professional and high quality business environment. Now, the developer behind this project is Samana Developers, one of the fastest growing real estate developers in Dubai. Samana's development focuses on modern architecture, functional spaces, and strong investment potential. Samana Barari Avenue is located in Marjan, a rapidly growing community in Dubai land. The area offers excellent connectivity through major roads including Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, Al Ain Dubai Road, and Emirates Road. This makes it easily accessible from different parts of the city. Nearby landmarks includes Global Village, IMG World of Adventure around 10 minutes, Dubai Miracle Garden around 15 minutes, downtown Dubai and Dubai Mall again 20 minutes, DXB International Airport again around 20 minutes. This strategic location makes it ideal for businesses and investors. It also offers both retail units and office spaces designed for different type of businesses. Retail shops are located on the ground floor and podium levels, making them ideal for restaurants, cafes, retail brands and service businesses. Office spaces are located on the upper floor of the tower, offering modern layouts suitable for startups, corporate offices and professional firms. Prices starting approximately 940,000, making it an accessible entry point for investors looking to own commercial property in Dubai. Another advantage of this project is the flexible investment structure. Investor can secure a unit with an EOI starting from 100,000 with flexible payment plan options available for the buyers. Now, I'll give you three major reasons that investors are looking to invest in this project. Very first is location. It is located in Majan, which is in Dubai land, a rapidly growing residential community and increasing demand in retail offices and commercial spaces. Second, the mixed use of concept, combining retail and office spaces in single commercial tower. Third, the pricing point, which is starting just from under 1 million dirham. It's quite competitive in commercial properties in Dubai. If you are looking to invest in Dubai's commercial real estate market, Samana Barari Avenue offers an excellent opportunity to own premium retail or office space in growing business district. If you would like more details about this project or want to explore commercial investment opportunities in Dubai, feel free to reach out.